Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to edit a text in Squarespace. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at a link in the description of this video which will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. So, if you want to try this out, if you haven't gotten an account there already, that'll take you directly to your own free trial version of this. So make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to edit a text. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look for the Edit button and click on it to go to the page editor. Once you're on the page, hover your cursor over the text you want to edit. You'll notice that the text block will be highlighted and a small menu will appear in the top left corner of the block. Click on the menu and you'll see a few options including Edit, Duplicate, and Delete. Click on Edit and the text block will open in the editing mode. Here you can make changes to the text, such as adding new text, deleting existing text, or changing the font style, size, and color. Once you've made the changes you want, click on the Done button at the top left corner of the screen to apply the changes to your website. And that's it! So, like I said, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. Thanks for watching!